sure it's all the way over it. More. Good job.
What's
Let's
this?
move this over to lock it.
Oh, sure.
Nice.
What's this? Water?
I think it's butter.
Butter?
Yeah. Sugar and butter. We want it to go until it's like really
Like that?
Pour in a tiny bit of this.
Vinegar.
And then it sits for a second.
Like 1 second?
No. Okay, so it says Pennsylvania, Maine, Massachusetts, Virginia, and New Hampshire all claim to be the place where whoopie pie started.
Whoopie?
Yeah.
Now I Wookie.
Yeah, it does. Like a Wookie pie. We can call it that if you want.
Wookie.
Is that pretty cool?
So that means
they all think that this cake started there, but who knows where it started, huh? All right, Theodore. So I'm actually gonna, okay, just not all of it.
So Chewbacca is this.
Yeah,
What do
that's
we
good.
call it? Wookie.
More. Okay, let's mix that in, and then we'll pour the rest in.
But do I pour the rest in?
So now on our map, we're gonna do Maine and New Hampshire. We're gonna use our Grandma Gatewood book, the map in it to figure it out.
New Hampshire?
Let's see.
Wait. Oh, New Hampshire.
Yep. Can you find it on our map? Let's see. We can see Vermont. Do you have Vermont labeled yet? Good job. Yes, right here. So where do you think New Hampshire is?
Where?
If Vermont is right here, right to the west of it,
Oh, it's right here?
right here.
Okay, I could write that.
New Hampshire. Here, should we do a line? It's kind of a long one. Sure. Me.
Where
You can write it here or here. New Hampshire is gonna be right here, bud. I can write it for you in a second. Bless you. New Hampshire. Okay, and I'm gonna hold this up. Oh, ready to bake too. Okay, so I'm gonna open our 50 states book and we're going to read about it. Page 14 and 15.
Me. Where's me?
Yeah, can you figure it out with your map?
So, Maine. Oh, no, that's not Maine. Oh, Maine.
Here's New Hampshire. I mean, it's much bigger. Yes. And I think there's room to write it, so you don't need an arrow. Let's see all of the interesting things about New Hampshire. State bird is a purple finch. The highest wind speed ever recorded was on Mount Washington, 231 miles per hour.
Who's that?
Revolutionary War hero. Oh, your favorite name, John Stark.
Wait, like Tony Stark and John. What's that with two names?
Who's that?
John Stark.
Pretty cool. And this one is Maine. Look, it shows the Appalachian Mountains here. Mount Katahdin. So that is, does that sound familiar?
It does, but I'm not sure where it is.
That's where the Appalachian Trail ends in the north, or begins. And extends all the way to Georgia. Maine has 71 lighthouses.
71.
Wow, look at this cool place.
Whoa.
It's called a wedding cake house. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
You guys have batter faces. Cool. You guys can read some more of these and color in your states. I'm gonna go set the
Like this?
yes. I'm gonna go set the whoopie pie in the oven.
Okay.
Yep, whatever colors you want. I'll go this way. It's alphabetical, so K. Not too much further. M, what comes after M?
And
Yep, and isn't that what New Hampshire starts with?
yeah. Could I look for it?
Yeah, but only a few at a time.
New Hampshire?
Yep, that's your New Hampshire.
Oops.
That's okay. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna color that. We can do a word search. And we're gonna read about all of this interesting thing.
I think in Washington. Say capital, Concord, say
Abbreviation.
Major cities.
Major.
Concord, Manchester, Nashville. Population, what does that mean?
How many people live there? And we would say point.
1.36 million.
Yeah.
Bordering states: Maine, Massachusetts, Vermont. Regional countries: New England.
Very good. Which part do you want to do first? Color or word search?
Word search. Concord.
And that's our last thing.
And
then we'll wait until our... Yeah, I mean, these pages are our last thing of our lesson today.
Ready?